What is it called? Why did the dog scream?
Yeah.
Or something?
The lady...
Somebody grabs a dog.
She pushes a hand on the dog and goes... And the dog turns and goes...
You know, that reminds me of another one that I love. Where a lady's talking to a seal, or a sea lion.
Yeah.
And he's just like making really retarded faces at her.
Oh, I like the one with the
then
seal.
And then she goes, speak, and he goes,
I like the seal not wanting to go in the water.
Yeah, the seal, he goes, eggs.
He goes, ah!
but the sound effect that seal makes is like a cough mixed with a scream. So he goes, it's amazing.
What a stupid animal.
He's making really weird faces right up until that moment.